In this video, we'll walk through how to generate system, WAN, and interface reports. From the dashboard, go to the left-hand panel. Scroll down and click on System Reports to expand the drop-down. Then select Device Online Status. On this page, you can filter the report results to focus on exactly what you need. Click the filter icon, the funnel symbol on the top right. Choose the from date and to date for the report. You can even select the specific time within those dates. To narrow it down further, you can filter by device ID, device name, site tag, and even whether devices are online or offline. Once your filters are set, click the spreadsheet download icon next to the filter button. Your report will be downloaded and ready to analyze. You can generate multiple types of reports depending on what data you need. Under System Reports, you can generate Device Online Status, Device Health Status. Under WAN Reports, you can generate RF Status, WAN Health, Link Status, Data Usage, Data Rate. Under Interface Reports, you can generate Interface Stats, Link Status, Data Usage, Data Rate. That's it. With flexible filters and export options, you can easily dig into your device performance and connectivity insights.